Speaker Khemchand says people do not hold politicians in high esteem as elections are decided by money. Minister Biswajit asserts people need not be upset by the 48-hour ultimatum issued by United Naga Council. Manipur observes National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. 6 organizations felicitated for collecting 100 units of blood at blood donation camps. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen moots special hospital for older people. And 2-day seminar on Shumanglila tradition kicks off with experts presenting papers on the unique art form of Manipur. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, Priyo Bharta, and now the news in detail. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand today asserted that the people do not hold politicians in high esteem as the qualifications of candidates contesting the elections were decided by money and not by their educational qualifications. Khemchand was speaking at the 29th Foundation Day celebration of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NILIT at Akampat. He maintained that the people should stop treating elections like festivals if changes are to be brought in the society. The speaker stated that there is a culture in the state that no one can get government job unless bribe is given. He appealed to the people to ensure a free and fair election in order to get a government job without offering money.
Politicians say, with due respect, because vote lepagi ihan anga qualification se pasha pairo oithoki swice the mal adi my masado vote lepani hade pasha kya pai ge hange, and it was never mentioned that ma doctor la samaji tham to bada natraga laga apa mira su hange pasha kya pai ge sina ahan ba qualification oithoki budagi pagi rajniti to sin se manipura bevar doctor bani hai simai ai yanan thamjane.
In his speech at the event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit said the government is trying to equip people with skill development under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Digital India. He said, as part of the Digital India, NILIT is offering different courses on digital skill development. He asserted that it is time each, according to his own, tries to get employed oneself in a state like Manipur, which has resource constraint. He said, it will be difficult for the government alone to do well in every field. Biswajit emphasized the need for all to work together with commitment for the development of the state. Prizes were also presented to students of the institute who excelled in examinations and sports on the occasion.
Combined resource mobilization tabada ke hai base center ki khangde natraga akoi level state ki khangde puna maksim je khuna kok chung jena rakanda akoi gi masigi asai akoi gi leriba director na habi budi am sumba pone ba akoi state government de ke ne lete ke akoi kali kana ba phangba yai aduga akoi state government de ke na akoi na leriba ne lete ki leriba posting combined coordination pina rakanda akoi kana ba phangba yai adu society de combined to kana ba deliver tabada ke adu haure ba satra jing natraga naharon du da akoi employment unemployment level se problem later about employment generation create
Secretary of Defence Production Ashok Kumar Gupta arrived at Imphal this afternoon on an official visit to the state. Replying to a query about the purpose of his visit by Impact News on his arrival at the Imphal International Airport, the Defence Secretary said he is on a personal visit. He, however, declined to reply further questions. It is apprehended that the Secretary's visit has something to do with the ongoing Rohingya refugee crisis. He is staying at Hotel Imphal tonight and will leave for Moreh on an official visit tomorrow. It is learnt that after returning from Moreh, the Secretary will leave for Nagaland. It may be mentioned that the Myanmar army has been cleansing the Rohingya Muslims from the state of Rakhine after the Rohingya militants attacked the Myanmar army.
What is the main purpose for your visit?
No. Actually, I'm visiting on my leave travel concession. No, so that's all.
For the defense ministry, not yet it has been materialized. There was a plan to buy.
No, I won't be able to comment on any official work right now.
So when you are going to materialize?
No. I won't be able to comment on the official work right now. Please excuse me.
Sir, more security personnel in
Excuse me. I think.
Union Defense Secretary Ashok Kumar Gupta ngasi official oiba visit Imphal da laktuna leire maki official oiba visit asigi matangda impact news na hangba wahangi pakhum sapsana piram dragasu Manipur na baro town da leibna maram oirega hauji Myanmar gi rakhini state tholiba Rohingya crisis asigi matangda karigumba thabak khara lokholakpagi yabagi mamitari loinana Rohingya fuluf sing asina Manipur da illegally changsilakpa matamda India government na kari karma thabak lokholakatagi haibigi chapsaba Marum ko loina na mahak Imphal da lakpo irangudra haibagi singnaba adu leiri camera person nangmairapon bisorjikal loina na pawdum jariba RC Mangangcha Impact News Imphal Hotel.
Spokesperson of the government of Manipur and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the people need not be upset by the 48-hour ultimatum issued by the United Naga Council UNC demanding a clear-cut position from the state government and government of India. He stated that there will be no hindrances to the dialogue process and that one should not be disturbed by the ultimatum. The minister was reacting to the 48-hour ultimatum issued by United Naga Council UNC while speaking at the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign organized by Thongju BJP Mandal at Haijigang Supermarket Complex. The Works Minister maintained that the government plans to take steps that will be acceptable to all communities living in the state. It may be recalled that the United Naga Council UNC on September 29th had demanded the government of Manipur and the government of India to give clear-cut position on the creation of 7 new districts within 48 hours. Speaking on the cleanliness drive today, Biswajit maintained that a collective responsibility is needed to keep the environment neat and clean. He said, participation of a few individuals in the campaign will not realize the dream of Prime Minister Narendra Modi of a Swachhta Bharat.
Makuju akogi apamba demand tan bani ekoni chawam thokte the government amada makogi hanadagi chathara eba posigi kari legadagi habagi moida akoida ultimatum ampiraga tawani madu government na akoina tashalle harakana government na kari tawbu yage moi khisu akona tawbu yaba akoi niyongi matungina akogi amasu kaidaba mongda akodum chathagani na akoi tokta chathadaba leiro akoi chathagani ngasagi leiriba political tok chatharaga makoine hena thujel haningbagi apota orambasu yai madu masimang haibasu phajade adubu makogi apamba miyoibagi demand haidi apamba haibidi aina madu tawrunu ada tawrunu haibagi pot yadabanina makogi haijasanu the government gi su tawbu yaba makogi best level da adu society gi oina afaba mongda aikona sillaga tawraga de makoju yani akogi leiriba atopa mipum khudimang na yana mongda aikona sinnabagi thorang adu makoi pakana honari government.
Manipur joined the nation in observing a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day today. National Health Mission Manipur, Health Department and Manipur State AIDS Control Society observed the day at GP Women's College. The function was delayed as Health Minister L. Jayantakumar arrived late. Before the main function, a rally was taken out this morning around 9:30 as part of the observance. Parliamentary Secretary Health and Family Welfare S. Subhash Chandra flagged off the rally from MST Morangkhom. The rally passed through Keshamthong before arriving at GP Women's College. People from different walks of life, including students, employees, etc., took part in the event. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar inspected the blood donation camp held at the event. 6 different organizations were also felicitated with mementos and citations for their efforts in collecting 100 units of blood by organizing blood donation camps from April to September this year. National Voluntary Blood Donation Day is celebrated in India on October 1st every year to share the need and importance of blood in the life of an individual. It was first started on October 1st, 1975 through the Indian Society of Blood Transfusion and Immunohematology. Manipur joins the world in observing International Day of Older Persons today. Social Welfare Department held an event to mark the day at Kuntoghanbi Shanglen, Thamaiban. Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare and Corporation Minister Nemcha Kipgen assured that she will urge the government to open hospital specially meant for old-aged people. She said it is unfortunate that there are cases of ill treatment of senior citizens in the state. Nemcha said the Almighty will punish those who ill-treat the elderly people. She also reminded that everyone will all age someday. The minister urged the NGOs and stakeholders to help the older persons in distress and open doors for them. She highlighted the major contributions of the older persons in the society. Social Welfare Department presented gifts as a token of appreciation to older persons present at the event. The International Day of Older Persons is observed on October 1st each year. On December 14, 1990, the United Nations General Assembly voted to establish October 1st as the International Day of Older Persons.
Himsa kaya chathadana ahal oiri basingbu kaphanba wahanba ekoi gi samas asida ekoina uba phangi madu soidina ekoina dandi pirakani ahal oiraba matamda ekoi gi state asida Alzheimer amadi dementia oirakba matamda ekoi gi state asida magi nadunan magi brain da memory power watlebagi macha masak phanglak sani thakani hangdaba Manipur gi kachinda mayam ama leiribane masigidama laijing naba Manipur da hospital ama thamnaba Manipur sarkar da aina kanna taksingani.
District Social Welfare Office Thoubal also observed the International Day of Older Persons at RRTC office Wangbal today. About 270 elderly persons selected from Thoubal and Kaching districts were given with food items and blankets on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Education and Labour Department Minister Thokcham Radhesham said, the current generation lacks moral education and number of cases of ill-treating the senior citizens are on the rise. He said, it is necessary to respect the elders. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen said it is time to appreciate the role of women not only in their houses but in the society. Nemcha was speaking at the Manipur Catholic Women Convention 2017, which kicked off yesterday at Christ Jyoti Mantripukri today. The convention is organized by Manipur Catholic Women Organization. She said the convention will strengthen the women. Nemcha appealed for people's support to help women work at par with the men. Women of different tribal communities attended the event. The convention will conclude on October 3rd.
They can bring out their inner strength, character, abilities, competencies, talents to the fore so that they can also serve the family, the church and the society as much as men can do. I am confident that Second Manipur Catholic Women Convention 2017 and its subsequent chapter will go a long way toward leveraging the need to empower our women so that our women can fulfill their role in the family, the church and the society.
Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit today asserted that Shumang Lila reflects social issues of the society. Inaugurating a two-day seminar on Shumang Lila tradition, the minister stated that this unique art form can be witnessed by all irrespective of age. He also assured that a guest house will be constructed for Manipur State Shumang Lila Council. Chief Advisor of the Council, Dr. M. Nara, asserted that culture can only bring unity among the communities and appeal to people to use culture as a tool to bring integrity in the state. The two-day seminar was organized by Manipur State Shumang Lila Council at Iboyamas Shumang Lila Shanglen Palace Compound. Members of the council submitted a memorandum to Minister Biswajit requesting construction of a guest house, installation of flashlight, recurring grant, pension and health insurance for Shumang Lila artists. Rajan Tojamba presented a paper on the relation between Shumang Lila and script, while Makon Mani Mongshaba presented a paper on the relation between music and Shumang Lila. Dr. Nara expressed dissatisfaction with the absence of many artists at the opening day of the seminar.
अखोगी अमगे तौर पर मतलब कोऑपरेशन पीबा अमगे तौर पर मतलब कोऑपरेशन पिनर का कोई मशीन से पुन्ना हिंगमिन बादो पुन्ना चपतिने बाहागी वखल लोंसेदा यूनिटी अब सागर काला को कोट पुन्ना मच फाइट तब मतंदा अदम लोइब पॉसिबल होने है जे आई से तो वखल
करिनो से थोय योगी इट इज फॉर यू आई हिटन पेंजे दी सुमागे के आर्टिस्ट सिंग इनिशिएटिव मपुंदा मोय योगम थोई रुपी शादी सिंग एनी येगा मी अनि हुंदे येंगे Sumang ilasi ngasi kari karai thaksi kadai yorge si noi na sana khamse de badong na tore international level de chanba at least 161 countries have recognized Sumang ila.
Nungba MLA Gaikangam has asserted that sports and culture are the identity of Manipur. Speaking at the release of 4th Hornbill Entertainment's Jilarong feature film Nangta Nade Zianmai at Asha Cinema Hall, North AOC today, Gaikangam observed that even though several works have been taken to develop sports in the state, work for promotion of culture still lags behind. He maintained that the former Congress government established the Cultural University and Film Institute with the sole aim to promote and conserve culture. Gaikangam expressed the hope that the new BJP-led government will also work towards promotion of the state's culture. He said, Jilarong is one of the communities which plays a significant role in development of the state, which has diverse communities and languages. He also said, like the Meiteis play an important role in development of culture in the valley, Jilarong is leading in the hills. Gaikangam appealed to people to work together to promote the culture of the state. The film in Romai language, I beg your pardon, is produced by Gaidingmai Gonmai and directed by Kachangthai Gonmai and PG Paul. Augustine Dangmai, Kasangthai Gonmai and Tammi Singshin Panmai are the leads in the film. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Manguljao and President of Jilarong Film Forum Manipur Star Kamai were among those present at the event.
Cultural University Film Institute India government film industry TV last turn out program back out Manipur resource film institution Cultural University.
Sports Minister Letpao Haukep has promised the people of More that efforts will be made under Khelo India to keep the youth away from drugs and attract them to sports. He gave this assurance during inspection of a playground opposite Eastern Shine School, More today. The minister also assured the people of improving the playground. Letpao Haukep also inspected the retaining walls of Kujairok River. Sportsperson of the area also submitted a memorandum to the minister, drawing the minister's attention to their grievances. Shrestha Swachhta, a cleanliness campaign as part of Swachhta Hi Seva, was held at Kaina Temple in Yaripok, Imphal East District today. District Water and Sanitation Committee PHED Imphal East District cleaned areas in and around the temple. Members of Yuva Bharat Manipur and Executive Engineer of District Water and Sanitation Committee PHED Imphal East District, cum Member Secretary K. Rameshwar, participated in the cleanliness campaign.
Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin haina ikoina aukiba 2nd October 2014 dagi sahi manga sangna paikhatpa program gi makhadani koina Mahatma Gandhi ji da mana aduk yamba koi pumnamakpu Bharat pu ningkha tamhalambagi aikoina mangonda acha masu moina katkadauba koi gi sadanjali se Bharat pu fully sanitize oiba masamau kawa unthong puding sanitary leiba injang kaijang daba jati ma aiba kama
Youth Affairs and Sports organized a social service camp as part of Swachhta Hi Seva mission today. Staff of YAS and sportsperson under the supervision of Director YAS and Pravin cleaned Kumalampak Sports Complex. A cleanliness program was held at More today ahead of the Gandhi Jayanti. The cleanliness drive was organized by More Police, More Commando Team, Meitei More Council and volunteers of Citizens Welfare Club. Starting from Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1, the cleanliness program was held till More Police Station. Palel Police also conducted a cleanliness drive on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti. They cleaned the surroundings of Chandil Namghai on National Highway number 102. "15-day Swachh Pakhwada Cum Awareness Program of Swachh Survekshan organized by Nambol Municipal Council kicked off today at Nambol Town Hall. Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council, CH Basanta, opened the program. Discussions were held on the first day on how to dispose the waste from the shops under the council. '86th Battalion of CRPF, situated at Lumphel, cleaned the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences and its surroundings as part of Swachhta Hi Seva campaign today. The battalion has been carrying out cleanliness drive in different parts of the state since September 15th. The cleanliness drive today was led by second in command of the battalion, Naren Singh, and participated by many personnel of the battalion.
Now today we are conducting in the RIMS to apprise the people, civilians, about the hygiene on importance of the cleanness and to give a message that all the CRPF personnel is with you to green and clean the city.
And it's time for a small commercial break, but we'll be right back with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. This is Impact News and you're watching Prime Time English News. And in further news, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO will boycott Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar. Speaking to media persons at their office in Hatta today, President of the organization Pangal Abdullah Pathan said the organization has been demanding a punishment for Yumnam Devjit, son of the Deputy Chief Minister, for his controversial statements against Islam on social media. Abdullah stated that the Deputy Chief Minister has maintained silence all the while. While condemning the silence maintained by the Deputy Chief Minister, Abdullah appealed to people of the state to not invite the Deputy Chief Minister at any functions. He also appealed all Muslims of the state to not fight the upcoming Panchayat elections with the support of the NPP and also to not campaign for them. The boycott will not be withdrawn unless Yumnam Devjit apologizes to the Muslim community. Abdullah condemned the government for being a mute spectator, although the offices of Ministry of Other Backward Classes Department was locked since August 25th this year over deprivation of rights of the minorities by the department. He also alleged that the BJP-led government in the state has not carried out any developmental works for Manipuri Muslims. He said, due to corruption in the MOBC, minorities receive just 20% of the benefits of the schemes. Abdullah appealed to the government to look into the matter at the earliest. He also warned the BJP to not let Manipuri Muslims take the same line of rest of the Muslims in the country of not voting for BJP.
Yumnam Joykumar Lale Hajaraklaba, Amadi, Mahaki Masanupa Devjit Namiam, Kangna, Lale Hajaraklaba, Amadi, Mahaki Masa, Yumnam Devjitpu, Yumnam Joykumar, Amadi Manipugo, Mena, than the Pipataragadi, Nasiluk Masina, boycott away, Section Jeribase, Handoksagadi, Maduna Triphovadi, boycott Tozakini. Tongan Balupsing of the MMW Nakara, Hanjil Laujara, Amadi MOBC, 25 August, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, Tong Lonjan, Jakaba Powder, Nasi Power, Nasigi, Honorable Chief Minister, Amadi. BJP na lusing ba Manipur government tasin usina na laithok liba asina takpadi minority particular maitai pangan singa se masigi se atombi gi masa dauna amadi second class citizen dauna treat tawbire.
Churchandpur police arrested Wumthin Lal, who carries a reward of 1 lakh rupees on his whereabouts and also faces an arrest warrant issued by the court under IPC section 302. Wumthin Lal, son of Tunzakap from Docus Weng, New Lamka, is a ZRA cadre. He was arrested this morning around 8 by a combined team of Churchandpur Police, Thanlon Police and 25 Assam Rifles from the house of Wumkhonswan in Wengdom South, New Lamka. 2 other persons, Lungkolal from Tuibong and T. Singzan Lal from Central Lamka, were also arrested. Police had filed an FIR against Wumthin Lal in July after he was responsible for beating a person to death. He went into hiding in Delhi, Hyderabad, Chandigarh and returned to Churchandpur this September. Acting on a tip-off, personnel of Custom Department seized gold bars estimated to be worth around 5.9 crore rupees from Urembam on Imphal-Jiribam Road this morning. The team seized nearly 20 grams of gold from a Tata Sumo which was heading towards Jiribam. Speaking to media persons at Customs Office Imphal, Superintendent of Custom Division Imphal N. Mairaba said the smuggler has also been arrested. He is identified as Mohammad Najimuddin from Lilong to Relahanbi.
Acting on the basis of a specific information, the custom officers of the PF Imphal have gone to the Uranjam area along Imphal Jiri Road. There they intercepted one Tata Sumo Gol, and from the secret cavity which was specially built for hiding the gold bars, these 12 gold bars weighing approximately 1.6 kg each was detected, and a total of 19.954 kgs of gold has been seized, and its value has been pegged as rupees 5.9 crore. And one person has been arrested in this regard, and his name is Mohammad Najimuddin of Lilong Turenahanbi Dammaning.
Palel police arrested 2 persons who were trying to smuggle 25 urea bags into Myanmar. They have been identified as R.K. Maipaksna, 36 years, son of Khidasna from Chongtham Kona Wangoi, and Mohammad Ibo, 41 years, son of Babu from Khetria Wanglekai. 10 bags of urea were recovered from a Maruti Eco van with registration number MN05A4805. Maipaksna was driving. Another 15 bags were found from a Maruti van with registration number MN1A8852, which Ibo was driving. They told police that they were taking the urea bags to Myanmar. Yaiskul MLA T.H. Satyabrata asserted that the Yaiskul constituency, which lies in the heart of Imphal city, still lacks development. Satyabrata was speaking at a felicitation program organized by Social Upliftment Club SUC today at the community hall Ningthem Pukrimapal, Makalerak. He said the government is taking measures to repair roads, maintain proper drainage system and to provide safe drinking water to the people. He appealed to people of the constituency to support the works of the BJP-led government. The MLA also saw the condition of Ningthem Pukrimapal, Makalekai Road. Cooperator of Imphal Municipality Corporation Ward number 20, L. Tombi, was also present at the event.
ngasi olaiba khongjel sida Yaiskul kendri manungda leiba Ningthembuki panji praja singi thamoida su awonba ma pamakpagi mami tabse ayonda haininga litena nuaise karamba awonba no khoina paminari se aina pamjaba lengsen be mayamna pamba mangda phambi mayamna pambiba chakhotpa afaba nuaiba haidi miyamna phidam nafam oiba kendra ma akhoina ngasi mafam sidai thokanda karai deino hangmodamda Yaiskul kendra dei ni habda ikai phorum bado Yaiskul kendra ni ngak haigalak haiba ngambagi sangdu bo khoi khonamina seba aduda da ai thamoida pen mangangani haiba khom doi thamjage tungna miyam bunna lepiragadi akhoina ki doisi karino miyam gi support pibiu karima makhangi chahot khongthangda tapthaba amtan leiro.
Students from Bangladesh will be provided free education at Zenit Academy from 2018. 10 students each from class 6 to 10 will be given the opportunity. Founder of Zenit Academy, Ghari, and patron member of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, Dr. S. Manauton, announced this at the 121st birth anniversary of Hijab Mera Board held at Bhanubil, Bangladesh. The event was organized by Integrated Manipuri Association, IMA, Bangladesh. 7 members of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur who were retracting the journey of Jananeta Irabod in Bangladesh were also felicitated at the function. Manauton spoke on the life and works of Hijab Mirabot. Chairman of IMA, Khoirom Indrajit, also spoke about the relation between the two countries since they were princely states. The team will visit Pogo's school at Dhaka where Hijab Mirabot studied tomorrow and look up his records. A painting and a paragraph writing competition in connection to 62nd Wildlife Week Celebration 2017 was held today at Lamding Higher Secondary School. District Forest Officer Taubal organized the competition. The painting competition was held on the theme Rich Fauna and Flora of Manipur, while the paragraph writing competition was held on the role of youth students in protection and conservation of wildlife in Manipur. Students from different schools of the district took part in the competition. One-day convention of medical representatives on Unity for Strength, Unite for Struggle was organized by Centre of Medical and Sales Representatives Union Crew Imphal at MDU Hall, High School Police Lane today. Members of Federation of Medical and Sales Representatives Association of India FMRAI and Crew Northeast Region and several medical representatives attended the event. The convention was organized to discuss the rights of medical representatives and the do's and don'ts of MRs. Manipur State Preparatory Committee 19th World Festival of Youth and Students will organize Manipur Festival of Youth and Students on October 3rd at MMRC and Unity Park, Khangabok. The festival is being held in preparation for the 19th World Festival of Youth and Students to be held at Sochi, Russia from October 14th to 22nd. The third edition of Women of India Organic Festival begins at Delhi Hart in New Delhi today. The 15-day festival aims at promoting women entrepreneurs and farmers in organic sector. The theme of the festival is good for women, good for India, good for you. A 4-month tailoring and cutting training program to be organized in 6 different areas of Haingang constituency kicked off today. The program was launched at the residence of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at Luangsambam Mamalikai by his wife Nongthombam Hiaino. Northern Manipur Building Workers Union held the program under the sponsorship of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board and Department of Labour, Government of Manipur. The 2-day annual literary meet cum prize distribution organized by Royal Library Bamun Thingel Kabo Wakching concluded today. Speaking on the closing day, President of Royal Library Nongthombam Gobardhan said, these kinds of functions will not only promote libraries in the state, but also help the children overcome stage fright. Prizes were also presented to winners of various competitions. Eastern Motors today presented a citation and 20,000 rupees each to the parents of 8 Manipuri players who are part of the Indian team at the upcoming FIFA Under-17 World Cup at an event held at Eastern Motors Chingmarong. Speaking at the function, President of All Manipur Football Association S. Sanatomba said, people of the state feel that the game of football has witnessed a decline due to players of the state joining popular clubs of the country. Footballer and Arjuna awardee Oinam Bembem was also honored at the event. Officials, coach and players of the T.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy, Tobungkhok, have wished luck to former player of the BMSC, Wangzam Suresh, who is in Indian team at the upcoming FIFA Under-17 World Cup. And before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Speaker Khemchand says people do not hold politicians in high esteem as elections are decided by money. Minister Biswajit asserts people need not be upset by the 48-hour ultimatum issued by United Naga Council. Manipur observes National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. 6 organizations felicitated for collecting 100 units of blood at blood donation camps. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen moves special hospital for older people. And 2-day seminar on Shumangila tradition kicks off with experts presenting papers on the unique art form of Manipur.